Hi, Laramie. So you are going to need the short little reading packet, and you're going to be working on this page after you watch this video. So we're going to talk about cause and effect. So cause is what causes something to happen, and an effect is what actually happened. So if someone tripped you and you fell down, the cause would be somebody tripped you, what caused something to happen, and the effect is what actually happened. You fell. Some clue words for this. For cause, some clue words are because, if, then, and since. So because somebody tripped you, therefore you fell down. Or since somebody tripped you, as a result, you fell down. Okay, so these are all the words that are clue words for a cause, and these are clue words for effect. So you might have to pause the video at this point or at this point just so that when you're doing your assignment, you can find those clue words if you need to find those clue words. All right, so here's an example. After I put my hot chocolate in the microwave, it was steaming hot. The cause is the reason that something happens. So you can ask yourself, why is my hot chocolate steaming hot? The answer to this question is the cause. So the cause, I put my hot chocolate in the microwave, and the effect is it is steaming hot. Here's something that's super, super helpful in my opinion. A hint. If you can put the word because in front of the cause and then restate the sentence so that the meaning stays the same, you know that you've identified the cause correctly, which kind of helps because if you can put the word because in front of the cause, because and cause always come together. So let's look at like an example of that. So this was our sentence. After I put the hot chocolate in the microwave, it was steaming hot. And we have to look at which sentence maintains the same meaning as the original sentence. So if we put because right here in front of what we're thinking, is this the cause or not? So because in front of this cause. Because I put my hot chocolate in the microwave, it is steaming hot. Yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense. So that is our cause. Whereas this one, because it is steaming hot, I put my hot chocolate in the microwave. No, that doesn't actually make any sense. If your hot chocolate is steaming hot, you wouldn't put it in the microwave. So since this one doesn't make any sense, we know that this one is our cause right here. I put my hot chocolate in the microwave. That's our cause. All right. Like I said, because and cause make sense together. So they said the best part about using this hint is the similarity of the words cause and because. Finding that because becomes a piece of cake. All right. So let's try that one again. Julia ate 2 candy bars and got a terrible stomachache. So which sentence makes sense and maintains the meaning of the original sentence? So is it this because or this because that makes sense for us? Because Julia got a stomachache, she ate 2 candy bars. That doesn't make sense. If she had a stomachache, she's not going to eat candy bars. What about this one? Because Julia ate 2 candy bars, she got a stomachache. Yep, that one makes sense. She got a stomachache from eating the candy bars. So this one is our cause. All right, let's look at a few more examples. Your classmates are going to do a ton of these. You don't have to do quite as many. All right. Now, something that I feel like is helpful for these is coming up with both the cause and effect. Because it just asks us for the effect, but why don't we find both the cause and the effect? All right, what is the effect in the following sentence? I was so happy when I got an A on my spelling test. Okay, so let's rewrite it with that because hint that we've learned. Would it make sense to say, because I was so happy I got an A? Or would it make more sense to say, because I got an A, I was so happy? Take a second and think about which of those do you think makes more sense? Yeah, it's this one that makes more sense. Because I got an A, that made me so happy. So my cause is that I got an A, and my effect is that I was so happy. All right, let's look at another one. All right, this sentence. I didn't get my allowance last week because I forgot to clean my room. Well, you know what? This one's awesome because it already has the word because. So whatever comes after that word because, that has to be the cause. So for this one, our cause is I forgot to clean my room. And our effect is I didn't get my allowance. Oops, I'm going off the screen here. All right, let's look at another one. What is the effect in the following sentence? Well, we're going to find the cause and effect anyway because we're just that talented. So it says, I will spend most of the night on my computer finishing my research project. Okay, so this one's a little more challenging. You might have to add a few words in it. But you could say either because I will spend the night on my computer, finishing my project, actually, we'll reword that a little bit. Because I will spend the night on my computer, I'm finishing my project. Or because I'm finishing my project, I will spend most of the night on my computer. Okay, both of these kind of make sense, to be honest. But I want you to really think about which one makes the most sense to you, which sentence makes the most sense. It's actually going to be this one. So because I'm finishing up my project, that's why I'm spending most of the night on my computer. So the cause is finishing project. And the effect is spending night on computer. Can you tell I'm getting tired of writing? All right, we're going to be done there. If you need to go back and re-watch anything so that it makes a little more sense to you, you are more than welcome to. This is your video to do what you need to do. Okay, so all you have to do is read this. It asks you to circle the clue words and phrases. Let me look back. There's like 2 or 3 clue words. Remember that if you need to pause the video right here so that you have those cause clue words, or right here so that you have those effect clue words, that might be a good idea. So circle those and then write the correct cause or effect. So this already gives you the cause. Because the poplar hawk moth's wings look like the leaves of a tree, what then happens? Or because the squash vine borer moth looks like a wasp, what then happens? And they have some cause here, and because of that cause, the Arctic fox can blend in with its summer habitat, so you have to fill that in there. All right, you just let me know if you have any questions. You've got this.